Good morning, students. So, in our previous classes, we saw about Indian international number system, how to write, how to read, and about comparing and ordering the numbers in Indian and international number system. Okay. Now, sometime what happens when anyone asks you? What is the distance between your house and school, or how many children are there in your class or your school? Now your class, you know how many children are there, but in school how many children are there, you don't know the exact value. So you will say approximately 400, 500, 300, or in class if how many girls are there, 10 girls, 20 girls are there. If you don't know the exact value, or what is the distance between your house and your school, so you'll say 10 kilometer, 5 kilometers, 7 means you will tell the imaginary approximate value, not the exact value. Okay, so that approximate value you will say in tens, hundreds, thousands. You will not say 226 children are there. If you don't know the exact value, you will say 200 children are there. Or in how many people are watching cricket match, they say 1000. Approximately they say means imaginary values, that is 1000 or 2000. So that in tens, hundreds and thousands, what we tell the approximate value, that is rounding off. Means it is not a exact value. So that is rounding off numbers. So okay, so that we are going to learn now how to round off the numbers in tens, in hundreds and in thousands. Okay, so first we will see how rounding off the numbers to 10. Okay, before that, when we are rounding off the number, we should know that the numbers, now whole number starts from 0. So the numbers from it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we are rounding off numbers, these the numbers having these numbers in the ones place, we have to round to the previous number. And means because they are nearer to the 0. If you are rounding off to 10, so 10 and 20 if you take, that means these numbers now 11, 12, 13, 14, these are nearer to 10. Like that, the number equal to 5 or more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These will be nearer to next number. Means here you can see I have made one activity. Here you can see that here if we are rounding off to 10. You can make this activity. You can use any other method, or you can make this activity by using this card sheet, and your numbers I have pasted, and here one small car I have made here. So to properly understand rounding off numbers, here you can see if we have to round off to 10. Round off to 10 means if for example that number is 23. Now 23. So 23. 3 is there. So 23, it will be nearer to what? It will be nearer to 20 or it will be nearer to 30. It will be 23. If this car has to go to 23, where it will go? It will go, if 3, here you can see 3, 23. So this 3 is nearer to this box. Here you can see this 3 is nearer to this box. So it will go near this. Now 23. If it is 27, there are 27 children in the class. So 27. So 7, where it is 7 will come? Here. So it is nearer to this. this box. That means this side we can take as smaller and this side greater. So using this only we can understand easily the rounding of numbers. Now if I take any other number, we have to round off 43 or 46. Now 46 is there. Now 46 we can see 6. Where is 6 here? This cast box here. 6. 6 is nearer to this side greater number. It is greater and this is smaller. So here it is 6. So 46. It is nearer to 40 or 50. It is nearer to 50, the greater number. Now if it is 42, so 42 means this will come on 2. So 2 means it is nearer to this box. Okay. So this is rounding of tens. Okay, we'll see again some more examples. Rounding of to 10. 225. So where this is one method what I told. There is one more method to round off. So if we have to round off tens place. So ones, tens. What we have to do? We have to round this number and we have to see the next number. So that is 25. So you can see 25 is there. So 25, 5 here. So 5 and greater than 5. So it is nearer to what? It is nearer to greater. That means this 25, it will be nearer to 30, not 20. So 20 to 30. So that is 230. So we have to round off only 10th place. If it is 375. Now 75 or 79. 79 is there. So 79 means 9 it will come here. So it is nearer to 80 or 70. 79 is nearer to 70 or 80 because we are doing rounding off of tens. So we have to see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. Okay. So it is nearer to 80. So 380 is the rounding off of 379. Similarly, if you will see rounding off to 100. That time we have to see 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 like that. So it is nearer to what? It is nearer to 400 or it is nearer to 500 like that. So for that also we can take same example. Here you can see, here we can write hundreds and here 100, 200. If here 100, here 200. Here 200, here 300. So we can use this activity for thousands also and hundreds also. Okay. So let us take some example, that is 604. Now 604. So by seeing the number only we can understand that 604 is nearer to 600 or it is nearer to 700. So we are doing rounding off of hundreds. So it will come 100, 200, 300, 400. So this number is nearer to 600 or 700. So this by seeing we can understand it is nearer to 600. But there is one method. So what we have to do? We are rounding up to hundreds. So we have to circle the 100 place. Ones, tens, 100 and we have to see the previous number. Previous number is 0. So previous number is 0 means it comes this side, that is so smaller. 0 means it comes near smaller. So when here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, that time this goes to this number remains as it is. It will not change. So here it will become 6 only and these two will become 0. This is another method. But if here 7 is there, that means here greater number. That time we have to plus 1. So it will become 700. Or by seeing we can say that 674. So it is 74. So it is nearer to 600 or 700. Okay. So like this we have to round off to 200. Similarly we can round off to 1000 also. So to round off 1000, first what we have to do? We have to round off to 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 like that. Okay. So when we are rounding off to 1000, that time what we have to do? For example, if we take 2165. Now in thousands we are rounding. So we have to circle the 1000 place and we have to see the previous number. When we are seeing this previous number here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If these numbers are there, this number will remain as it is. It will not change and these all will become 0. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this circle number we have to add plus 1. Okay. So this is another method. For rounding off 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, we can use this method. Okay. So here 2, here 1 is there, this is 1000 place, here 1 is there and 1 is comes here, that means it will not change. So this will remain 2 as it is and these all will become 0. But if any other number is there, 2865. So 8 is there means we have to circle this and we have to see the next number. So next previous number here 8 is there. 8 means we have to plus 1 to the circle number. So that is 3. So by seeing also we can say it is 2100. So 100 means it is nearer to 2000 or 3000 it is nearer to 2000. But if it is 800, so 8 is nearer, it is greater. So it is nearer to 2000 or 3000, it is nearer to 3000. So like this also we can use and we can use this method also for finding the rounding numbers. Okay. Thank you.